In a modest fishing village, where the dance of waves syncs with the heartbeat of its residents, lived Ms. Wu, a 60-year-old fisherwoman. Her life was intertwined with the rhythm of the ocean, a symphony she played effortlessly, despite the harshness of the waves. However, fate cast a cold, wet blanket on Wu's harmony as the relentless wet and windy environment at sea started whispering agony to her knees. The cold seeped through, settling in her knees as fluid built up, bringing along an uninvited guest: pain. The irregular sleep, the late nights, they were all part of the rhythm of a fisherwoman's life, yet they played a discordant tune with her health. The consequences were stark. Her knees ached with every step, her legs felt like lead, heavy and unyielding. Her dreams were now clouded with the thought of a meniscus replacement surgery that mainstream medicine proposed. The mere thought was a ghastly storm threatening to drown her spirit. Her face, once radiant with the sun-kissed glow, now wore a pale mask of despair. Her eyes, they seemed to have lost their sparkle, mirroring the chaos of a stormy sea. Then, amidst the turbulent waves of her life, emerged a beacon of hope, the ancient healing touch of gua sha and cupping therapy. As the healer worked on her knees, targeting the acupoints around the knee joints and wei yang points, the essence of traditional medicine started its dance. The rhythm was slow, a tender pull of the cupping therapy, followed by the gentle caress of the gua sha tool and the precise prick of acupuncture needles to let out the bad blood. It was a ballet of healing, orchestrated with grace and precision. As days turned into nights and the moon played peekaboo with the sun, the rhythm of healing played on. With each therapy session, her blood found a new rhythm, a healthier, more vibrant tune. Her eyes, they sparkled again, reflecting the calm, serene waters of hope. The stiffness in her legs waned, replaced by a newfound agility. Her steps were now a melody, harmonious and full of life. The final act of this voyage was mesmerizing. Wu, once tormented by every step, now walked with an ease that was poetic. Her face was a canvas of joy, her eyes the stars of hope. The meniscus replacement was a ghost of the past, a distant echo drowned by the melody of her agile steps. As Wu cast her net into the vast ocean, her heart hummed a tune of gratitude. The dance of waves, the rhythm of her heart, and the melody of traditional healing created a symphony that resonated across the vast expanse of the sea. Her story is a melody of hope, a tune that whispers the magic of traditional healing to every aching knee, every despairing heart. This narrative captures the essence of Wu's voyage from the shackles of agony to the realm of agility, a journey orchestrated by the ancient practices of gua sha, cupping, and acupuncture. Through the serene waters of traditional healing, Wu found her rhythm, her tune, and her dance with the waves once again.